Lifestyle on Wheels is brought to you by The views and opinions expressed by the host and the guests do not necessarily reflect the show or the network. For your comments and suggestions, you may email us at motorcyclenewsmagazine@gmail.com.
Good afternoon, televiewers. My name is Tyran.
And I'm Joel.
And welcome to Lifestyle on Wheels.
Okay guys, welcome back. Para po sa ating Motorcycle News segment, Titan, kwento mo nga.
Ngayon, papanoodin natin ang nangyari, ang mga highlights dito sa Yamaha Grand Prix.
Yeah.
Kung saan sinundo natin si Valentino Rossi at Maverick Viñales.
Wow!
Kaya watch this, guys.
Valentino Rossi and Maverick Viñales in the Philippines. As the 2017 season draws near, Yamaha found the time to bring their two superstars here in the Philippines prior to their MotoGP test in Sepang, Malaysia. They arrived early in the morning at the Ninoy Aquino International Airport and were greeted by Yamaha big bosses, several selected media, and some fans who happened to be in the area. After a quick rest, they headed to Novaliches for a press conference at the Robinson Straight Hall.
To give you an exciting feeling that will definitely rev your heart this 2017, because the Dr. Valentino Rossi has returned to Manila, and he also brought his teammate with him. We are talking to Top Gun Maverick Viñales, who is going to be here today.
Fans quickly filled the area before the Doctor and Top Gun, who came up to the stage to the applause and delight of everyone. Joining them was Yamaha Motor Company's General Manager of Motorsports Division, Koichi Tsuji, President Toru Osogi, Sales and Marketing Director Kaoru Ogura, and Marketing Senior Manager Ryan Jude Camus. The pair answered questions from the media and even some riders before gamely posing for pictures and signing autographs for some lucky fans. They then suited up their leathers and greeted the crowd at the makeshift racetrack before swinging their legs on two specially prepared Yamaha Sniper 150 MXs.
We are proud to introduce to you in just a few moments the newest addition to our family, to our Yamaha racing family, the Top Gun, Maverick Viñales, with the Dr. Valentino Rossi. They are Yamaha's MotoGP superstars, and it is our goal that they inspire each of you to become racing legends as well. The Yamaha Grand Prix has been about elevating rider skills for 8 years now. So nakakawalang taon na po tayo, kawalang taon na po ng Yamaha GP ito. And Filipino riders are getting even better and being recognized internationally. Today, may you race better than before, be inspired by our guest riders, become legends right here at Yamaha Grand Prix 8. Thank you, and let's enjoy the race!
The crowd roared as the two headed towards the starting line to pose for pictures with the Yamaha GP riders. Both riders signed their respective snipers before heading out for a few laps to the delight and thunderous cheer of the crowd.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Valentino. Thank you, Maverick. Thank you. So now I'm going to declared officially. Okay. Yamaha Grand Prix start now! Official! The race!
Both riders were overwhelmed with the support of the fans, not just for them, but also for Yamaha and for racing as well. It was Rossi's second time in the Philippines. For Viñales, it was his first time. Even though their visit here was very brief, it was rewarding as they made the most of their time. The movie star Yamaha duo had to pack their bags and fly to Malaysia in the afternoon as they begin their 2017 season with a pre-season test at the Sepang International Circuit.
So there you have it, guys. Kita nyo naman, no?
Galing.
Talaga napaka-exciting na ginawa nitong Yamaha.
Robinsons?
Yes, dyan lang yan sa may Novaliches, napakalapit lang.
Imagine, pinaikot nila si Valentino sa Robinsons. The best.
Hindi naman pinaikot, nakasakay siya sa Sniper. Yan.
Nice, I love
So
it.
isa sa pinakamagandang motor ng Yamaha, yung Sniper MX-150.
Yes. Kasama syempre si Mr. Viñales.
Yan. At hindi lang yun, kasama rin yung mga local racers natin
Oo,
doon.
nakita ko sila lahat doon, all leathers.
Siyempre.
Galing.
So dito natin pinapakita na talagang napaka-competitive
Yes.
ng Yamaha motorcycles.
And ang ating sport pagdating po sa racing and ng motorcycles ay palaki na po ng palaki.
Yan, exactly. And of course, maraming salamat po sa Yamaha Motors sa
Yes.
pag-imbitan nyo po sa Lifestyle on Wheels dyan po sa inyong event.
Very, very thankful at pinadala nyo rito ang aming idol na si Valentino Rossi at si Mr. Viñales. Alright?
Yep. Mabilis talaga ng oras.
That's right.
Pero and of course, bago po mahuli ang lahat, we would like to thank our sponsors. At syempre, huwag nyo naman kalimutan na i-like or i-follow ang aming mga social pages. At kung meron naman kayong mga comments and suggestions, huwag kayong magkumatubili, mag-email sa amin sa motorcyclenewsmagazine@gmail.com.
At o nga pala, syempre, pag gusto nyo mapanood yung mga past episodes, just visit our website.
And there you have it, guys! Magkita-kita po tayo next week!
Yes, every Saturdays po, tandaan po natin 2:30 PM dito po sa PTV4.
And of course, ito nga pala si Tyran,
Ako po si Joel.
and this is your only motoring lifestyle show on television.
Lifestyle
On Wheels! Good afternoon, televiewers. I'm Tyran,
I'm Joel.
and welcome to Lifestyle on Wheels.
Wala ako. Ulit.
Ciao, ano po kayo, sir?
Pasita suka. Sukang baler. Maungutal ka tatalap.
Okay guys, Valentine's.
Pampamaganan dila at muso yun, yung super spicy. Katulad dito. Pag ganyan, magiging maga.
So mga televiewers, magkita-kita po tayo next week
sa Sabado, lagi.
tuwing Sabado.
Sige. Tingin ako sa cellphone. Ulit.
Ah.
Lifestyle on Wheels is brought to you by